Hello people and welcome back to NewYorkDashCam channel, our channel that features only the craziest road moments caught on driver's dashcam. And we'll start today's episode off with some rude drivers who think that it's okay to park on a sidewalk. Check out how the cyclist dealt with both of them.
ItzTae. I hope you don't need your licence for work, because that's going to cost you some points. It's illegal to drive on the pavement and park on it and block it. What do you think of the roads there, son? Alright then. You know what I mean? At least he's fucking apologetic. Yo mate, that's a footpath and a cycle path, not a car park.
Yes, I can.
So it doesn't matter.
Yeah, I can deliver it.
You can't park there. Well, it's alright. Well, I'll report it to the police.
Hold on.
Well, you're going to get points, ain't you? And on your licence. And you're a professional driver.
I don't care. You call them. I just deliver it.
Yeah,
I'm not parking 1 hour, 2 hours.
It doesn't matter. It's illegal to drive on the pavements in England.
Yeah, what are you doing, huh?
Huh?
What are you going to do?
This is a cycle path.
Yeah, I don't care.
I'm going to report it, someone do.
Hold on.
This is England, mate.
Do that.
Have you read the highway code?
I don't care.
Well, obviously you don't care. See ya.
Climate change activists blocked the entire road in protest, and needless to say, the drivers did not like it and it came to a heated road rage. This rude driver pulled out in front of the biker without bothering to look left nor right, and of course, moves like this can easily cost the biker a crash, and he was rightly angry at the driver. But for some odd reason, the driver's fragile ego was hurt, and it came to a raging argument.
Mas qual filme todo?
Viste, não viste?
Mas tens que te mandar e tu não me viste.
É pá,
Por favor, digo eu, meu. Olha lá, desculpa lá, só uma coisa. Mas, desculpa, porquê que não reconheces o erro? Porquê que não reconheces o erro e pedes desculpa em vez de estares a mandar vir?
eu pedi desculpa, porque tu viste.
Mas porquê que não reconheces o erro? Não reconheces que fizeste merda? Eu estou tranquilo.
Vamos ser práticos.
Eu estou tranquilo. Agora, foda-se, não comeces a mandar vir, meu.
Não, mas eu só estou a dizer, vamos ser práticos.
Mas eu estou a ser prático. Não estou aqui a arranjar merda agora. Foda-se.
Já merda. Tipo, se eu me atravessasse, eu disse que eu viste na boa, porque é que vamos complicar? Não é?
Pá, mas não estamos a complicar. A questão... Não fiz manobra nenhuma radical, mas foda-se, meu. Vês que vem um gajo. É só travar um bocadinho, mas estou na paz, meu.
Na boa, meu.
Pronto.
Na boa.
Tranquilo.
Não me ia atirar para a frente nem pôr-te em perigo. A derrota desde quase nasci. Respeito, super. Mas se fosse daquela aí, eu vou meter a tirar a mandar o gajo ao chão. Não, fiz foi naquela base, ok?
Tá bem, meu, mas um gajo vem na faixa, é só chato.
Por isso, desculpa aí, mas...
Não, mas é tranquilo.
Base, ok, eu vi-me, vai, na boa.
Estou tranquilo, não fica chateado nem nada. É só tipo.
Era falta,
É preciso um gajo ter cuidado, meu. Só isso.
This angry driver got mad at the biker because he filtered past him, and instead of letting things go and moving about his own business, this driver decided to act tough, and one thing led to another. Before you know it, we're in for a heated road rage and even a mirror smash. Stay tuned for this one.
Y'all seen that? This. What up? You said, huh? What up? Who the is you? Who is you? Who the are you?
After the short argument at the traffic stop, the biker moved on, but you can see the driver not giving up, and he dangerously started approaching the biker. He was way too close on his tail, and this led to an even more escalated situation.
Come here, cuz. Bro, come here. What's wrong with him? Hopped on the sidewalk on that ass. Oh. Yeah. Yeah. Oh, dude. Dude. What's wrong with him? Watch how I turn around. Turned around on that ass, you hear me?
Hyundai driver that approached from behind the camera was way too much speeding, and because of that, he nearly rear-ended a vehicle in front that was changing lanes. Instead of paying attention at the road ahead, the driver that was behind the camera was distracted by his phone, and as a result, he rear-ended the vehicle.
भैया नई डिवाइस तो नहीं आ रहा मैं मेरे को भैया नई डिवाइस तो नहीं आ रहा मैं मेरे को
Can you do more interviews?
Yeah.
Of scheduling and our time and all these things.
Cyclist was doing the speed limit here, but the driver who was behind got impatient and he honked at him. At one point, he nearly knocked the biker off his bike as he tried to overtake him, but karma soon paid him a visit because a police officer pulled him just down the road.
What the f are they doing? No way! No way! Let's go, dude! Hey, officer! Officer! That guy was honking at me back there for no reason as well.
Go off to the side over there.
Yeah, I'll come with you.
My partner.
I would love to, yes. Yeah, so why were you honking at me? Why were you honking at me back there? Yeah, this is perfect timing. The cops pull you over.
Yeah, because you were going 10 miles an hour.
I was actually going 20, and it's actually called a speed limit, not a goal.
Okay, well I'm sorry. I just have to get home, dude.
You guys together?
No, so I was back there. He's just back there blaring his horn at me.
This guy?
Yeah. And then up here he skids on his brakes, and I watched this unfold, and that's just amazing. So I thought I'd come say hi. I got the honking on video. I didn't know. Yourself and your license plate on YouTube, since I got it all on GoPro.
I can find myself?
Yeah. This whole thing that happened. So have fun with that.
With this clip, we conclude another amazing episode on NewYorkDashCam channel. I hope you guys enjoyed watching and learning a thing or two based on all the mistakes. If you like this type of content, feel free to leave a like, because that will really help us out a lot. And while you're at it, subscribe and click on the bell button to stay up to date with all the latest content we put out. Until the next episode, ride safe and take care.